Let's make an old family favorite, goat liver. Just the way my grandmother used to make. Full of flavor, and it's comfort food at its finest. We have 500 grams of goat liver. Cut into 1-inch size squares. Add 1 cup of water, followed by 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix it and set aside for 15 minutes. Soaking in vinegar will remove the smell from the liver. After 15 minutes, take out the water and wash the liver. Now it is ready to cook. In a large pan, add the liver. 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of chopped onions, 300 grams of goat meat with bones cut into small pieces. Now add 3 cups of water. Lastly, add 1/2 cup of olive oil. Mix it and bring it to boil. Cover and cook for 45 minutes, or until meat and liver is tender. After that, cook on medium heat to dry out the excess liquid. When the oil starts separating, at this point, add 4 green chilies cut into slices and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Add whole mild chilies if you like. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Add 1/2 cup of chopped mint. Mix it well. At this point, you can add as much water to get desired gravy. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Now cover and cook 5 more minutes on low heat. Delicious goat liver and meat is ready to serve. Rich, hearty, and so satisfying. Add some lemon juice and enjoy with some fresh naan. I hope you enjoy this dish as much as we have over the years. From my kitchen to yours, happy cooking. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.